And now let's move on to this, the My Pure Mist 2. This is actually very interesting. It's one of the most interesting things that I've actually been looking forward to reviewing. It's a handheld ultra pure steam inhaler. So what does it say? It basically talks about fast natural relief from allergies, sinus congestion, sinus headache, colds and flu. And then it says some interesting things. It's got a HEPA 13 filter. So it says that it's 99.97 HEPA air purifier, 99.99999% germ-free steam, and it's got a 92% report of symptom relief. So basically what you do is that you hold this in your hand. It's your own personal purifier, and this is a very interesting device. Let's take a look. I have to tell you though before, it's pretty expensive. It's just a shade under 10,000 rupees.
It is a known fact that inhaling steam brings us relief in respiration and cleanses our nose and mouth. This habit has become even more important ever since our bout against coronavirus has started. While generic steaming appliances are effective, they usually lack portability, and this is where the device that we are reviewing today comes into action. My Pure Mist 2 is a handheld steam inhaler that packs in some promising technology. So what makes this device special, and is it effective? Let's find out. When it comes to the design, My Pure Mist stays true to its word. This modern day steam inhaler is indeed portable and it fits right into our palm. Also, the unit is lightweight and users will not find it difficult to hold while using it. Additionally, the mask is also on the softer side and it doesn't bother a user once it has been put on. Now, before we get to testing out the device, it is important to understand the technology behind it. My Pure Mist 2 is a 2-in-1 device. It isn't just an ultra-portable steam inhaler, it is also an air purifier. The device features a patented instant steam technology that uses sterilized water and turns it into micro-sized particles that can be inhaled easily. This instant steam technology is combined together with a medical-grade HEPA 13 filter which purifies the air around the user, making sure the steam inhaled is germ-free. The device provides 100% humidity at 115 degrees Fahrenheit. What adds legitimacy to this product is the fact that it is listed as a Class 1 medical device in FDA and Health Canada. Easy to set up, the device comes with a port for filling sterile water and also shows the remaining water level. With the instant steam technology coming into play, My Pure Mist 2 does bring relief at a rapid pace. With the temperature controls at hand, a user can also easily switch between the desired temperature without any trouble. In our experience, 10 to 15 minutes of usage is more than sufficient to reach a comfortable level, and we will not suggest that you use it for longer durations. A convenient feature of the device is how it cleans itself once you're done using it. Now, while the steamer works well for its size, some users may not find it as effective as traditional steaming methods. My Pure Mist 2 comes with 8 refills of sterile water which should last you for about 40 sessions depending on your usage. Users can buy a new stack of 20 refills which cost 799 rupees. That should last 100 sessions. This is another aspect that may not go down well with potential buyers since it is a recurring expense. And with that, we've come to an end of this review. Saying that My Pure Mist 2 is a modern day steamer will be an understatement. With the instant steam technology combined together with its air purification prowess, it is one of the most unique steamers available in the market, but that doesn't mean that it is for everyone. At 9,999 rupees, you can consider this device only if you need portability and regularly need to steam.